All right, everyone, a quick update on HBAR here. So HBAR is currently sitting at a $3.5 billion market cap at the moment. Now, we're going to get into how high this thing could potentially go here according to our chart here. We are on the weekly chart here, by the way. Now, first, we notice that there is an uptrend in play here. We are sitting right below the macro 382 here at 10, currently at 9. Now, this green box here, the bottom of this box is if we draw a tiny fib from the low to the high here, that is a 618 retracement, and this green line down here is the 786 retracement. So a couple of targets to watch here, which you can see we're bouncing off of the uptrend here. So this may very well be the bottom, and this thing's going to get back over the 382 and then make a move for that point 0.5 once again. And then once we get a weekly close over that point 0.5 at about 14, that's when you know that H bar here is going to be bullish here, because it's been a long time since we've had a close over that level. So you need to move up about 43% to accomplish that there, which if it's going to keep the market structure here, it needs to make a new high, and that new high would be the zero point 0.5, and then of course the 618 up here to break this high here. So it may bounce and come all the way up to the 618 here, so just keep an eye on that. Now, one other thing I would point out is the green line down here, the 786. We could end up pulling this down to this wick here and moving this over this way. And then, if we end up coming down like we are right now, which the momentum on the weekly chart is down, we could end up hitting that and doing something like this and hitting the uptrend down here and then trying to go back up at that point. That could be the case to where we just kind of go sideways for another couple of months here. So just be aware of that. So a big support to watch here would be this 618 at 9.7, and then of course this 10.3 at the 382. So hopefully this gets bought back up and we hold over that 382 and hold that first uptrend there that we were looking at. Now, as for how high H bar is going to go this cycle, you can see here on the chart that if it only does a 786 retracement from where we are right now, you are looking at about a 3x on your investment here, and then that would give you a $11 billion market cap at about 31 cents. And if we break through that and then come up to the previous high, maybe this thing makes a slightly higher high or a slightly lower high, and you're looking at around the 5 to 6x range, up or back around that 57, 58 cent range. So, but the chart kind of tells us here that if we break the previous high at 57.8 there, then the next stop should be the 1272. We've seen this 1272 on many charts get hit over the span of time we've been here on the channel. So who's to say it can't hit a $44 billion market cap up to 123 and do about a 12x here on H bar? So what are your thoughts on H bar? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.